Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to validate phone numbers in Power Automate and Logic apps using CloudMersive. This is incredibly useful when you need to verify that phone numbers entered into your forms or systems are legitimate and properly formatted before processing them further. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to the Power Automate platform where you can build and manage all your automated workflows. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a navigation menu. Click on the Create option to start building your new flow. This is where all your automation projects begin. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow allows you to trigger automations manually or through specific events, which is perfect for on-demand phone number validation when you need it. Next, you'll see a list of trigger options. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow to set this as your starting point. This means you'll be able to run your validation whenever you need it, rather than having it automatically trigger based on a schedule or event. After selecting this trigger, click the Create button to proceed with setting up your flow. Now you'll see your flow canvas with your manual trigger already in place. Click the plus icon to add a new action to your flow. This is where you'll connect the phone validation functionality. In the search field that appears, type CloudMersive to find the connector. CloudMersive is a powerful data validation service that provides various verification tools, including phone number validation. From the search results, find and click on CloudMersive Data Validation. This connector gives you access to multiple validation features that can verify different types of data. You'll see several validation options appear on your screen. Look through the available actions and find Validate Phone Number, then click on it. This specific action is designed to check whether a phone number is valid and properly formatted according to international standards. Once the action is added to your flow, click on Advanced Parameters. This will reveal additional configuration options that give you more control over the validation process. Go ahead and click all the checkboxes that appear. These parameters allow you to specify exactly how you want the phone number validated and what information you want returned. Now, in the first field, input the country code for the phone number you want to validate. For example, if you're validating a United States phone number, enter US. This tells the system which country's phone formatting rules to apply during validation. Then in the second field, input the actual phone number you want to validate. This is where you'll enter the phone number that needs to be checked for validity and proper formatting. And that's it. Your phone number validation automation is now ready to save and run. You can now validate phone numbers instantly whenever you need to, ensuring data quality in your workflows. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.